Hello everyone. So this is one of the most powerful recipes I use to get rid of hormonal issues and help my hormones balance. Like this flushes out toxins causing hormonal imbalance, bad fats in your system, making you always looking so big, facing difficulties to lose weight. Like this breaks and clears your system real good. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I use is broccoli, and I use all of the broccoli plus the stem just to get all the benefits in this recipe. Broccoli is very good as it helps to metabolize estrogen, excess estrogen in the system. Most of the estrogen gotten from hormones, like foods that have been sprayed with chemicals mimicking our hormones, causing hormonal issues. This metabolizes them so fast and flushes them so you don't face estrogen dominance, most especially with ladies, which leads to fibroids, cysts, all those painful menses because you have estrogen dominance or bad estrogen in your system, mimicking in your system, causing hormonal issues. So this is my broccoli. I just wash with water and vinegar just to make sure it is really clean. So what you need is 2 stems of broccoli. You slice everything, the stems and everything, and wash with vinegar and water, and that is it. You want to set it aside to sit in the vinegar, to sit in there for like 10 minutes, and you wash up so the ingredients are really clean, so there is no bacterial or dirt to cause more issues in the broccoli. So the next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be lemon. Yes, for detoxification. So the process of detoxification helps to flush out toxins, bad chemical, acids from foods we eat, most especially the foods high in sulfur, a lot of salt and chemicals used in preserving foods, causing acids in your tummy, making you always bloated, mimicking your hormones, causing issues. Lemons really help with that to detoxify you. So that is 1 lemon set aside. Sorry, I'm so fast. The next ingredient I'll be adding will be bell peppers. Very good at balancing your hormones. Very loaded with antioxidants to fight the effects of free radical, causing issues like even cancer. So you want to fight the effects of free radicals and toxins in your system, mimicking your hormones, causing hormonal imbalance, flush you out so you can lose some of that belly fat as well. So that is 1 bell pepper and 1 lemon. So this is the broccoli. I just washed the vinegar out of it and set aside. The next thing you want to get is your ginger. So ginger is very good when it comes to cleansing your tummy. Sorry, I'm a little bit so fast because I really hate my videos so long, and So this is ginger, which helps. It has anti-inflammatory properties to help with the cleansing of your system, so your metabolism can be so fast to break and metabolize all those excess estrogen in your system or toxins mimicking your hormones, causing hormonal issues. Slowing down your system is something you want to avoid, and boost your metabolism with ginger, which heats up your system and you easily break everything down, so there is no room for toxins stored up to mimic your hormones, causing issues and belly fat as well. So this helps you cleanse you out, preventing hormonal issues leading to all the painful menses, fibroids, cysts and the rest. This is really prevention. It cleanses you, and if you suffer from issues like that, you want to fall in love with this, and trust me, your hormones will be all balanced before you know it. I suffered from hormone. I think I have a video I shared 3 years ago how I dealt with my hormonal issue. Next ingredient before I share with you the benefits of this recipe I'll be sharing with you for to fight hormonal, balance your hormones, flush out bad fats in your system, will be flax seeds. So flax seeds are very good for hormonal issues. Like this helps to balance your hormones, cleanse you, enrich your system a lot. Like you want to add in 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in here. So this is it, very important, and I'll be sharing with you another recipe for this same purpose with flaxseed, just to help you cleanse you out and balance your hormones. So I'll be adding cinnamon in here just for detoxification. This is a very powerful herbal stick as well. If you don't have the cinnamon stick, you can use the cinnamon powder. So very quickly into coming up with this recipe, you want to put your broccoli in your pot. So those are 2 stems of broccoli. your 1 bell pepper, 1 lemon, and ginger, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger, the 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, and 1 cinnamon stick. If you don't have the cinnamon stick, you can replace with cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. So you want to put in 6 cups of hot water in here. So I boiled some water, so this doesn't take long for me to boil, because I'll have to leave everything in the pot and just get from there. In short, I'll give you the instructions. So after 15 minutes, because I put in boiling water, like hot water in there, after 15 minutes, this is what you should get. You don't want to boil for so long, so 15 minutes, just time it. 15 minutes while on stove. You want to come back and kind of stir the ingredients, kind of use your spoon to press in and infuse the ingredients in the tea. So yeah, so when 15 minutes after, you just leave everything to, when you press up, like you infuse the ingredients in the water, everything gets together, like you want to put off your stove, allow it to cool down a little bit, and you'll be serving this from your pot. So just leave it in that pot. You don't want to take anything out of that pot. You have to serve it from that pot, drink from there. Like, this is best on an empty stomach or last thing at bedtime. So early mornings, you want to start your morning with this. Start your morning with this, so it gets into a system that no food or oil will obstruct the cleansing process. So this really cleanses you, detoxes you, and flush out the toxins and chemicals mimicking your hormones, causing hormonal imbalance for you to balance your hormones and have them in order. Like, this is very cleansing and healing. So when you have a cup like this, a large cup like this in the morning on an empty stomach, at bedtime you can have another large cup the next day in the morning for 3 days. After 3 days, you want to add some more 6 cups of water in that pot. So you drink for 2 days. After 2 days, you add more, because 6 cups, 1 in the evening, 1 morning, 1 evening, the next day for 3 days, and after 3 days, you add 6 more cups again for the next 3 days. So this is it. You drink, and trust me, this cleanses you. And when toxins and bad hormones are out of your system, you stay very healthy, and you hardly experience hormonal issues. And you, most especially us women, all the painful menses and the rest, you'll be free. And this flushes out bad fats in your system. And you want to do this alongside drinking a lot of water. Water is the cheapest cleanse you can find in your house. If you've been watching my videos, I will tell you all the time, water is the cheapest cleanse you can find in your home. Water flushes and cleanses you out. It prevents you from even having diabetes, because when you drink enough water, it flushes excess sugars in your system. It helps your system to easily metabolize food. When you don't drink enough water, that is when you face digestive issues, because you hardly break down food. Everything just stores, or before you know, you end up with belly fat, weight gain. You want to detox a lot, cleanse a lot, and drink enough water your system can accommodate. Drink lots. If you don't love water, you think you substitute water with pop, sodas. You want to stop that and drink fresh water. Water is life. Water will leave your skin so fresh, so healthy, so rejuvenated. Like, water, I don't know how to reiterate enough, but if you don't drink water, if you used to drink like 1 bottle a day, step up to 2. That is how you just get used to drinking water. You don't replace water with pop, sodas, or juices. Water is water, and water is water on its own. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. This will help you to burn your belly fat as well, have your belly down, cleanse your skin. Your skin will look so beautiful, because you are so clean from the inside. You look so fresh externally, and trust me, you will love your health. Your body will thank you for having this. Yeah, so this is a very nice recipe. If you watch my 2 years video, I talked a lot on how I suffered from hormonal issues and how I dealt with the issue. That is what took me to do a lot of holistic health. I paid a lot of money to do holistic health just because of hormonal issues, and I had to treat myself. I'm happy. I have a big testimony I'll share with you guys. And yeah, so don't forget to like, share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.